Hello everyone and welcome to our amazing bird world. Today we will explore some of the most beautiful and fascinating birds on Earth. Watch closely, learn their names, and enjoy the wonders of nature with us. Let's go! Eagle. The eagle is a powerful bird with strong wings and sharp eyesight. It can see small animals from very far away. Eagles often live on mountains and tall trees. Parrot. Parrots are colorful birds that can copy human sounds. They use their curved beaks to crack nuts and seeds. Parrots live mostly in warm tropical areas. Peacock. The peacock is famous for its beautiful, colorful tail feathers. It spreads its tail like a fan to attract mates. Peacocks usually live in forests and gardens. Penguin. Penguins are birds that cannot fly, but are excellent swimmers. They use their wings like flippers in water. Penguins live in cold places like Antarctica. Sparrow. Sparrows are small, friendly birds found near homes. They eat seeds and small insects. Sparrows are known for their cheerful chirping sounds. Owl. Owls are night birds with big, round eyes. They can see well in the dark and hunt quietly. Owls often live in trees and old buildings. Flamingo. Flamingos are tall birds with pink feathers and long legs. They stand on one leg while resting. Flamingos live near lakes and wetlands. Duck. Ducks are water birds with flat beaks and webbed feet. They swim easily in ponds and rivers. Ducks eat plants, insects, and small fish. Swan. Swans are large white birds with long necks. They glide smoothly on water. Swans are symbols of beauty and grace. Pigeon. Pigeons are common city birds with strong wings. They can find their way home from long distances. Pigeons eat grains and seeds. Woodpecker. Woodpeckers tap on trees with their hard beaks. They look for insects inside the wood. Their strong heads protect them from injury. Crow. Crows are smart blackbirds found everywhere. They can solve problems and use tools. Crows eat fruits, insects, and leftover food. Hummingbird. Hummingbirds are tiny birds that flap very fast. They can fly backward and hover in air. They drink nectar from flowers. Kingfisher. Kingfishers are colorful birds near water. They dive fast to catch fish. Their sharp beaks help them grab slippery prey. Ostrich. Ostriches are the largest birds in the world. They cannot fly but run very fast. Ostriches live in hot deserts and grasslands. Canary. Canaries are small yellow birds with sweet songs. People often keep them as pets. They enjoy eating seeds and fruits. Seagull. Seagulls live near oceans and beaches. They fly long distances over water. Seagulls eat fish, crabs, and leftover food. Toucan. Toucans have big, colourful beaks. Their beaks help them reach fruit on branches. Toucans live in tropical rainforests. Heron. Herons are tall birds with long legs and necks. They stand still to catch fish. Herons live near rivers and lakes. Robin. Robins are small birds with red chests. They sing beautifully in the morning. Robins eat worms, insects, and berries. That was our journey through the wonderful world of birds. If you enjoyed learning about these amazing creatures, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time for more fun and educational adventures. Bye-bye.